What's up, guys? Garrett here with Self-Taught.dev. Think I'm gonna invest in a new mic and possibly a camera, but they're like $1,000, so kind of hesitant on the camera. Mic's only like $100. If I can figure out how to make that work with the iPhone recording, that'd be awesome. But yeah, just want to do a little update on where I'm at right now. I finished Project 6 and the Team Treehouse JavaScript full stack developer thing. Didn't think I was going to pass at all, but they passed me, so whatever. And it was a Node project. Basically used Cheerio and some other NPMs to scrape this website and export the data to a CSV file in a particular order, like the price, title, the image URL, and the website URL the image was on, or something like that. But it worked pretty good. It was a really interesting project, learned a lot from it, and made me realize that I'm kind of going like a couple feet wide and then like a couple feet deep and then like a mile wide, and I need to go more than a couple feet deep in some areas. Like I need to go back and build more just basic HTML and CSS projects, because like I can build those. I'm just slow right now, and I need to get faster with those for sure. JavaScript DOM manipulation, that's pretty easy. I don't feel like I need to like keep building more projects with that. I mean, I probably will, just to like get more HTML and CSS experience with it. But I need to get faster on that for sure still. So I think I'm going to get to project 8 or 9 where I learn Angular, just to have some Angular experience, because that's again what most of the jobs I see on Indeed and the websites want you to know Angular or React or one of those two. I get them mixed up all the time. But yeah, gonna get there, and then I'm just gonna focus on not learning any new languages and stuff, and just like going deeper into the languages I do know. I found this internship thing on Craigslist, or kind of like an internship. I don't know if it's legit or not because it was on Craigslist, but they emailed me back, and it's basically if it is legit, it's some startup, and I'm basically doing like internal systems. So that's why they don't care too much if it's like absolute crap. I wouldn't make absolute crap, but they're just saying you're gonna be working on internal systems because we know you're probably not very good at this yet. But hopefully that will play out pretty good. They said I'd be able to work remote part-time. So I'd still have to move. It's like farther away than that job in Rockwall was. But fuck it. I just want experience at this point. So I'd probably find another random place on Craigslist and move. And do that if they give it to me. I haven't like interviewed or anything yet. Basically all I've done is send in my resume, so we're really far away from that right now. But there's that in the works, hopefully. Instead of just straight up applying on Indeed, I'm just gonna Google the company and like find who their hiring manager is and find them on LinkedIn, and then send them a message on LinkedIn with my resume. Say, hey, I'm interested in this position. I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to say yet, but I'm going to do that because this blog post I read said that would be more fruitful than just sending out resumes willy-nilly. This week I'm working on a Express and Node project. What is it going to be here? It's going to be like some static site. I think it's a photo grid. No, that's what the first React app is. Not sure what this one is, but there we go. Static Node and Express site. Yeah, they don't give me much detail about it yet. They just say I'm going to use Node and Express, which I've never dealt with Express before yet. So, I mean, I'd never dealt with Node before last week either. So, I think that's about it for now. It's like 6:30. Just doing some studying before I go to work. So, let me get back to that. We'll see you guys next time. If you have any questions or video requests or need anything, if you want to meet up for lunch, let me know in the comments below, and I will talk to you later. Peace.